Want to recreate an image or match a specific style? Upload your reference, and Luma-Loft's image to prompt tool turns it into a detailed prompt you can reuse with our image generator. Let's jump in. First, open the Tools menu, then select the Image to Prompt option. This kicks off converting any image into a precise, descriptive prompt for your projects. Next, click the Upload Image button, and choose your image file. Use your File Explorer or enter the name directly to upload your visual. Once your image is uploaded, select the comprehensive prompt style from the drop-down. Then, tap the Analyze Image button to let Luma-Loft automatically draft a detailed prompt based on your image content. Now, you can either copy the generated prompt, if you prefer, or choose to send it directly to the Image Creator tool to generate a new image based on this prompt. From here, hit the Generate button to produce a brand new image from your prompt. When it's done, download your result right onto your device. With Luma-Loft, you can quickly share your creations to the community gallery and earn credit, or send them to other tools for advanced editing or styling. Let's look at another example. Simply use the Back button and open the Image to Prompt tool again. Then, click the Upload area, upload your next image, and repeat the analysis process. You can scroll through the generated prompt, copy the text, or click the Use an Image Creator button to generate an image in the same style as the uploaded one. Finally, download all your images or jump into the gallery to review, organize, and manage your entire portfolio easily. You've just unlocked the complete workflow for Image to Prompt in Luma-Loft. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and let us know your questions in the comments below. Happy creating, and see you in the next video.